Hi dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Are you ready for our grammar class? Okay, very good. I hope all of you understand our previous class. Okay, all of you take page number 51. Page number 51. Last class we studied adjectives. And then here today we are going to discuss formation of adjectives. Formation of adjectives. We can form adjectives from nouns and verbs by adding suffix as able, al, ive, some, full, less, why, ious, ish, us, kel. Okay. Here adjectives formed by nouns. Boy, boyish. Joy, joyous. Condition, conditional. Fear, fearless, fearful. Adjectives formed from verb. Read, readable. Use, useful. Useless. Bother, bothersome. Dream, dreamy. We can also form adjectives from verbs by adding ing, ed, d, n or en. These forms of verbs are called participles. Love, loving. Loud. Break, breaking, broken. Burn, burning, burn. Tear, tearing, torn. Decide, deciding, deciding. Decided, deciding. Okay, here last class we discussed this part. Change these nouns into adjectives, fill the crossword. I hope all of you done in your textbook. And then F, exercise number F, form adjectives from these verbs. Joy, enjoy, enjoyable. Talk, talkative, talkative. Yeah, IVE. We use adjectives, nouns, verbs by adding suffix. I എന്താണ് ഒരു വേർഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞത് സഫിക്സ് IVE. Swell, swollen. SWOLLEN. Then fourth one, sense, sensible. Satisfied, satisfied. Satisfied, satisfied. Sixth one, please, pleasant. Okay, then force, forceful. Eighth one, surprise, surprising. Then 9 to 12, all of you find out the answers. Fill in the blanks with the adjectives. Use the words given in bracket as hints. Here, Gravita took her a bus from Natal to Delhi. It was dash journey comfort. It was a comfortable journey. It was a G, exercise number G, first one. Comfortable. It was a comfortable journey. Then second one, luck. Yash was dashed to have found his notebook before the exam. In bracket luck. Lucky. Okay. Then third one. Our dash neighbor offered to drop us at the medical store. In bracket help. Helpful. Help. Helpful. Okay. Then fourth one. The audience enjoyed dash play and gave good reviews. Humor. In bracket humor. Then answer. We are adding OU. Yes. Humorous. Okay. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the homework. All of you find out the answer yourself. Then exercise number 8. Choose the suitable verbs from the box. Make adjectives from the verb to complete this sentence. Here some verbs are given here. Then all of you make adjectives from verbs to complete this sentence. Okay. Here first one. The Jignasu puzzle was very confused. Here in bracket we use verb confused. We change adjective confusing. Okay. Exercise number H, first one, confusing. Second one, all of you write only with your pencil. Okay. Second one, the dash craftsman displayed his work at trade fair. Skilled or skillful. skilled or skillful. Okay. Here. Next one. Okay, sorry. Not double L. Then third one. Sushant is a dash writer and rarely make mistake. Sushant is care in bracket care. Change to adjective careful. 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 Then fourth one. Children came up with very dash design for the poster. In bracket create. Change to adjective creative. Creative. Then fifth one. Children sometimes skate over the dash pond. In bracket frozen or freezing. Frozen or freezing. Okay. Then 6. Sunny and Mani are twins but they have very dash habit. In bracket differ. Different habit. Different habit. Different habit. Okay. Then 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the homework. All of you find out the answer yourself. Then next I hope all of you got the answers. First one confusing. Second one skill or skillful. Careful. Creative. Frozen or freezing. Sixth one different. Okay. Next we are going to discuss kinds of adjectives. That is kinds of adjective. Some adjectives describe the quality or conditions of nouns. They are called adjectives of quality. Here some adjectives. Next we are going to discuss what? Yes, kinds of adjectives. Kinds of adjectives. Here first one adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. What is adjective of quality? It describes quality or condition of noun. It's a quality. ഒരാളുടെ നല്ല ഗുണം അല്ലേ? Yeah. So, it's a person or place a person's good quality. That is called adjective of quality. The children look confident and happy. That is a quality. Look confident. That is a good quality. It's a children look confident and happy. Will they perform humorous play? Will perform a humorous play. I hope all of you understand this adjective of quality. Quality means guna. Nalla guna. It's a good personality or good person. The children look example confident. Confident എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? ഒരാളുടെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു കുട്ടീൻ്റെ എന്താണ് നല്ല ഗുണമാണ് എന്ത്? Is a very good or is very the children look confident. Okay, that is quality. Then next we are going to discuss adjective of second kind of adjective, adjective of number or numeral adjectives. Numeral adjective. What is numeral adjective? Numeral adjective. What is numeral adjective? In kind of adjective we can understand. Numeral adjective, we can use the numbers. Okay, here numeral adjective tells us the exact number or countable noun. Exact numbers or countable noun. നമുക്ക് എണ്ണാൻ പറ്റുന്ന noun. അല്ലേ? They also show order or sequence countable noun. They show order, some order or sequence or other or row or list. We can understand. That is numeral adjective. Okay, there are 8 planets in our solar system. In case there are 8. Yeah, in number we use in this example number. That is numeral adjective. Numeral adjective means exact number of countable noun. Exact number of countable noun. That is called the numeral adjective. Okay, here there are 8 planets in the solar system. Second example, the second student in the row is Mithil. Then next kind of adjective is distributive or numeral adjective. Distributive numeral adjective such as each. That is not shows the correct number but each, every, either, neither refer to as each one of group of nouns. It's a group of nouns. ഒരു കൂട്ടത്തെയാണ് അല്ലാതെ നമ്പർ എടുത്തെടുത്ത് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടല്ല അല്ലാതെ എന്താണ് ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് നൗൺ ഈച്ച് വൺ ഓഫ് എ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് nouns. The nouns that come immediately after these adjectives are always singular. Nouns can be adjectives after are always singular. Every student, that is a student must wear a blue shirt tomorrow. എല്ലാ കുട്ടികളും എന്താണ് must wear blue shirt tomorrow. Okay. Neither. Okay, here fill in the blanks with the suitable adjectives from the box. Okay, first one we have studied 2 types of adjectives here. First one is adjective of quality, then numeral adjective, then distributed numeral adjective. Here fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives here. First one, the dash voice singer filled the auditorium. The dash melodious voice. Okay, the dash melodious voice singer filled the auditorium. Second one, the Ujjain is an dash city in Madhya Pradesh. Ujjain is the ancient city in Madhya Pradesh. Ancient city in Madhya Pradesh. Then third one, a square has a dash sides. A square has a dash sides. So 4 sides and all the sides are equal. Then fourth one, the dash person to wish me on my birthday was my sister. The dash, what is the answer here? Anxious person to wish me on my birthday was my sister. Then 5, 6, 7, 8 others. Okay, 2 more answers I will say. Then fifth one, there are dash days in fortnight. What is the answer? Fifth one, 14 days for night. Then sixth one, this is a dash pool. This is a dash pool. You can safely swim in it. This is a shallow pool. This is a shallow pool. You can safely swim in it. Okay. Then seventh one, a cricket team has dash players. The 11 players. Then 8, 9, 10 to 14. All of you find out the answer yourself. Okay. Next we are going to discuss our next kind of adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Next we are going to discuss third one. What is the third adjective? Distributive numeral adjective. Distributive numeral adjective. Here fourth kind of adjective is, that is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Here some more adjectives. Words such as this, these, that, those are used to point to specific noun. ഒരു വസ്തുവിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് സൂചിപ്പിക്കാൻ ചൂണ്ടിക്കാണിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നതാണ് this, that, those, the അല്ലേ that. Here when used before noun, these words are called demonstrative noun. എന്താണ് specific nouns. That noun to use point the specific noun, that is called demonstrative adjective. Okay. When used before noun, these words are called demonstrative adjective. This bicycle is my brother's. This bicycle is my brothers. Those plants need watering. Here, we use this and these for nouns which they are close by. നമ്മുടെ എന്താണ് അടുത്തുള്ളതിനെ സൂചിപ്പിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ this and these ഉപയോഗിക്കും. Then we use that and those which are far away. That and those which are far away, we use this demonstrative adjectives. Okay, understand? And then words such as what, which, whose are used before noun to ask questions about nouns. That are called interrogative adjective. That are interrogative adjective. What is? We ask questions by using what, which, whose before nouns to ask questions about the nouns. That are called interrogative adjective. Examples: which song by this singer in your favorite? What instructions did the coach give you? So asking questions. Then next one, words such as a few, any, some, much, all, little, enough, sufficient are used to describe quantity of things. When used before nouns, these words are called quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjective. Sixth one is quantitative. Sixth one is quantitative adjective. Okay, here എന്താണ് few, many. Quantitative adjective tells how much of thing is meat. How much? എന്താണ് which words such as some, much, any, enough, few, little, enough, sufficient to describe quantity of thing. അളവ് അല്ലേ, തൂക്കം. അതിനാണ് നമ്മൾ quantity of അല്ലേ, quantity of things. When used before nouns, these words are called quantitative adjective. How? Scientists found any water on Mars. There are few oranges in the basket. Circle the correct adjectives to complete this sentence. All of you use the correct adjective. There were any or all vacant seats in the theatre by time we reached. There were not any seat in the theatre by time we reached. Second one, how long have you been living in this city? How long have you been living in this city? Okay. Third one, there was much space for girls to sit comfortably on the sofa. There was sufficient space for the girl to sit comfortably on the sofa. All of you find out choose the correct adjective. So circle the correct adjective to complete this sentence. Okay. Here, next exercise K. Identify the kinds of underlined adjectives. Here, we have already studied six kind of adjective. First one, adjective of quality, numeral adjective, distributive adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative and quantitative adjective. First one, adjective of quality. It's a quality means it's a tells about the person. Quality of a person or quality of a place, quality of animal. That is adjective of quality. Then numeral adjective. Numeral adjective means it shows numbers. We can countable nouns. Okay, that is numeral adjective. Then distributive adjective means distributive adjectives either, every, either. That is refer to each one of group of nouns. That is distributive numeral adjective. Then demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives we can use specific noun. We can choose the specific noun. Points to a specific noun. These, that, those. Okay. And then interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective we can ask questions. Ask questions about the nouns by using the questions what, which, whose. Then last one is quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjective means how much and how much or little, few, quantity of things. That is called quantitative adjective. Okay, here this example, identify the kinds of underlined adjectives. All of you write down the correct adjectives. That is the homework. Okay, the first one has done for you. These bags need to be unpacked. That is demonstrative adjective. These. Okay. Then second, Gurpreet has lent me 2 books. That is numeral adjectives. Then so much for the hard work has gone into this painting. That is quantitative. That is that is quantitative adjective. Then all of you find out the answer yourself. Okay, that's a homework. Then next we are going to discuss degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. What is degrees of comparison? Degrees of comparison. Adjective, their form to show comparison between two or more nouns. അല്ലെ ഒരു നൗൺസിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുക between two or more nouns. This forms is called degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. We have studied 3 degrees of comparison in last class. 5th standard we have already studied this degrees of comparison. Anybody know the what are the degrees of 3 degrees of comparison? Say the answer. Say loudly. All of you say loudly. First one, positive degree, comparative degree, then yes, superlative degree. Here we use the different form of adjective to show comparison. That is degrees of comparison. In the example, Mohan is tall for his age. Tall. Then Tanya is taller than a Mohan. Mohan nekkaattilum veludana aaru? Tanya is a taller. Okay. Then Rohan is tallest of the three. ഈ 3 പേരിലേക്കാട്ടിലും എന്താണ് പൊക്കം കൂടുതൽ ആർക്കാണ്? റോഹൻ is the tallest. That is a comparison. Tall, taller, tallest. Okay, that is a comparison. Degrees of comparison. First one, positive degree, comparative degree, then superlative degree. Okay. Then all of you look at in your textbook. The positive degree of an adjective is the simplest form. The degree may be used either to state the quality something or for comparison. Okay, here example, the grapes were sweet. Here this bag is light as a feather. This is the simplest form. Positive degree is the simplest. First one is positive degree. Positive degree, that is simplest form, that is sweet. Okay, here sweet. Then in the second degree is comparative degree. Compare ചെയ്യണം, ഒന്നിനെ നമ്മൾ ഒന്നിനോട് താരതമ്യം ചെയ്യണം, compare ചെയ്യണം. Comparative degree, that is the second degree of comparison. Comparative degree. Comparative degree of an adjective is used to compare a common quality of 2 nouns. Common quality of 2 nouns നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു? Compare ചെയ്യുന്നു. 2 nouns. We use that with the comparative degree of adjectives. The apples are sweeter than the pears. Here the first positive degree sweet, then change to sweeter. Okay, we compare the 2 nouns. We use than to compare to degree of adjective. Another example, the white lilies are more beautiful than the pink ones. Okay, here first one example, here sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Here next warm, that is the simplest form. Then comparison, warmer. Then third form of comparison is superlative degree. What is superlative degree? Okay, superlative superlative degree. Yeah, that is warm, warmer, warmest. That is the comparison. Okay, here superlative degree of adjectives is used to compare common quality of a person with a two or more kind. രണ്ടോ രണ്ടിലധികമോ കാര്യത്തിന് നമ്മൾ കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുക. That is superlative degree. We use the before superlative degree of adjectives. Honey is the sweetest. We have already discussed sweet, sweetest, sweetest. Here, honey is sweetest thing I can think of. The red roses are most beautiful of the flowers. Here, we can take the degrees of comparison adjective are used correctly. Put a cross if they are incorrect. First one, Shreya is more taller than her sister. That is the correct one. That is wrong. Please put a cross mark. Then second one, Charles runs faster than Ridesh. This is true. Tick. Third one, could you help me choose better top than this one? This correct one. That is then 4 to 8. All of you find out the answer yourself. Then tick the correct options. Complete this sentence. This is the dash building in the city. This is the oldest city. Choose tick the correct one. Tarun's brother is dash than Maya's sisters. Tarun's brother is younger than Maya's sister. Younger than Maya's sister. Third one. Jamshid is dash than me. Jamshid is shorter than me. Then fourth one. Sabha took a dash bite for the watermelon. The Sabha took a small bite for the watermelon. Then 5 to 10, all of you find out the answer yourself. Okay, I know how to pick the correct answer. Okay, all of you to know how choose the correct answer now. Okay, then next we are going to discuss changing the degree of comparison. Changing the degree and the മാറ്റങ്ങൾ. We form the comparative and superlative degree of most adjectives adding ER, comparative and superlative degree, ER and EST. Okay. Soft, that is the simplest form. Softer, softest. Dark, darker, darkest. Then, if the positive degree ends in E, if the positive degree ends in E, O, only R, ST, ST are order. Only we adding R, then we adding ST. Okay. Here large ending with E, then we adding R, larger, then ST, largest. Okay. Then wise, wiser, wisest. Okay. All of you understand? Okay. Then next, if the positive degree ends with Y, positive degree ends with Y, preceded by consonant, the Y is changing into I. Y changing into I, then adding ER and EST. ER and EST. Example, Mary, Maria, merriest. Easy, easier, easiest. Then, if the positive degree has just one syllable, ends in the single consonant, this consonant is double before adding ER and EST. Sad, sadder, saddest. Red, redder, reddest. If the positive degree has two more syllables, രണ്ടോ അതിലധികം syllables ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ we usually more and most ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നു. For the comparative and superlative degree respectively, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Adjectives of two syllables ending full, less, ing, ed and some other are modern, foolish, famous, take more and most to form. Comparative and superlative degree. Hopeful, more hopeful, most hopeful. Hopeless, more hopeless, most hopeless. Boring, more boring, most boring. Some adjectives do not follow any fixed rules from the comparative and superlative degree. ചില adjectives എന്താണ് ഫിക്സഡ് റൂൾസ് ഒന്നും ഫോളോ ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. അതാണ് the much, more, most. Little, less, least, good, better, best. Bird, bad, worse, worst. Complete the table. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Quiet, quieter, quietest. Clean, cleaner, cleanest. That is homework. All of you find out the answer. Then fill in the blanks with the superlative forms of adjectives in the box. Here, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the dash building in the world. That is the tall, in bracket tall, tallest building in the world. Venezuela was the world's dash waterfall, highest waterfall. Then the capital of the dash country in the world in Moscow. The capital of the dash country, that is the biggest country in the world in Moscow. Okay, then 4 to 8, all of you find out the answer yourself. Use the adjective forms of box to replace the underlined phrases and rewrite this sentence, changing the order of the words required. Here, you will feel at ease and relax in the dress. You will feel comfortable in this dress. Use the adjective from the box to replace underline ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് നമ്മൾ phrase and rewrite this sentence. Phrase choose the correct phrase use ചെയ്തിട്ട് എന്ത് എഴുതാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്? Rewrite the sentence. വീണ്ടും എഴുതാം. Hemant is tired and in need of food. In need of food. Hemant is tired and hungry. Hemant is tired and hungry. Then third one. This table must be costing a lot. This table must be expensive. And 4, 5, 6, that is homework. Then look at the picture and make sentence in the describe it. Use the suitable adjectives. First, one example. Listen here. If you listen the example. First one. Here we can see this picture. Boy, cat, grandma, and all. We use the correct, each and every sentence we use in the correct adjective. Okay, first one. Grandma is showing the family album to the boy. The grandma is showing the family. Grandma is showing the family album to the boy. Okay, then all of you find out the correct. All of you write the correct adjective. Make 5 sentences. Okay, here one as already said. First one, grandma is showing. Grandma is showing the family album to the boy. The family album to the boy. Grandma is showing the family album to the boy. That is the first answer. Then other 5 sentences. Okay, look at the picture and make suitable adjectives. That is the homework. I hope all of you understand this chapter. 5th chapter, adjective. Today we have discussed the kinds of adjective, then degrees of comparison. Kinds of adjective, qualitative adjective, numeral adjective, distributive and numeral adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and quantitative adjective. In degrees of comparisons are divided into 3. Positive degree, then superlative, comparative degree and superlative degree. I hope all of you understand this lesson very well. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Okay, thank you.